Gotta make sure everything's mechanically sound. You know, when buying a used vehicle, gotta make sure everything has also working parts. Handy mechanic man. Make sure everything's working right. Yep. I don't understand it. He understands it. I don't. But we got him to make sure everything works good. This is the space. It looks a little nasty now, but that's okay. You see how much space we got? Look at all the options. You see? Came with its original seats. As you can see, very original, you know. Aged. This is the before look, before we really start doing stuff with it. Technically, this will be day 2. Day 2 of the great adventure. Day 2 of the great adventure. You know, just another regular day. Another regular day.